John, thanks for the presentation. It's very good, and I buy it. And
You're a believer.
Yeah.
Good.
And I think the more organisations that have this model are successful will follow.
Yes.
What do you think is the best example of a current organisation? Do you think is closest to this that's successful that people would recognise?
Great. Thank you for answering that question. People are going to think that I planted that question now, because the guy.
For £7.65, this question can be answered.
Yes. The guy who wrote the foreword to this book, I was so chuffed that he wrote the foreword to it, because he is the person I respect and admire the most in terms of the work that he's doing around this challenge. So that's Paul Polman, Chief Executive of Unilever. Paul Polman, on his first day in office in 2009, he stopped the quarterly financial forecasting of Unilever to the city. And he was asked in a later interview, why did he do that on his first day? And he said, if I'd have done it on day 100, they would have sacked me. And that's a measure of the courage of the guy. And he then has, with Unilever, implemented something called the Sustainable Living Plan, which is essentially a triple bottom line vision. And his vision for Unilever was that they would double revenues, increase profitability, halve the carbon footprint, and lift 1 billion people out of poverty around the globe. Now, is that an organisation that we would like to work for? You know, that's a triple bottom line vision. And he's now 8 years into that. And the evidence is very encouraging. It's a fascinating experiment in this new model. So I would encourage anybody who wants to look at a case study to go and Google Paul Polman, look at his YouTube clips. Unilever is the organisation that I think is doing the most as a corporate to really take on this challenge.